back to our channel. Today we're gonna make some air fried chicken cartilage. It's basically the soft bones in the chicken. It's really good as a snack. It's very crunchy. It's also got some meat to it. It's one of my favorite snacks of all time. And we're gonna air fry this, so it's the healthier version than what you would eat outside. Here we're gonna show you the ingredients. Here we have a pound of chicken cartilage. We got it online. You can probably find it in grocery markets as well. And we rinsed it and we pat it dry so it's ready to be marinated. So now in this bowl, we'll mix our marinade in. First, we'll start with garlic powder, salt, a little dark soy sauce to give it the color, light soy sauce, white pepper, black pepper, a little bit of cooking wine, tablespoon of sugar, and we're gonna add some cumin, ground cumin. Now we're gonna combine these two to make the marinade. Whenever you marinate meat, it's actually better to marinate in a bag so the marinade can distribute evenly. So we're gonna pour the chicken into this Ziploc bag. Rid of some air, and we'll give it a nice toss so the marinade is evenly distributed. Now we put it in the fridge and we'll air fry it in about 2 hours. Okay, it's been 2 hours. Now we're gonna place our marinated chicken into the air fryer. And that's it. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Let's take a look. It's definitely ready. Wish you could smell this. Do a quick taste test.
How's the flavor and the texture?
Oh, it's amazing.
You have to describe.
Can you hear the crunch of the soft bone? That's what I like about this dish.
Take another bite.
So, to finish it off, we're gonna sprinkle some of the cumin seasoning that we have. Man, this is gonna be one of my favorite dish. So simple to make. We didn't use any oil, we didn't use any breading, and it is super crunchy, super flavorful. And you can get this all pre-marinated and ready to go whenever you have guests over or just feel like having a quick snack. Hope you try this recipe.